chicks. Uh-oh. This
You
is
can't have them. Okay.
fox. Fox.
Hi.
An owl.
But does he want to read this book?
Yeah, let me finish this one.
Oh, okay.
Bear. She's sticking her tongue out at you. Bear. Bee. There's a bee. Okay. You want to see your friends?
See if he says anything.
Okay, ready? Girl. Yeah. There's a girl.
Those your friends, buddy?
There's the boy. Yeah.
Yeah, you can talk to them. They're your friends. Yeah.
Yeah. Girl. Boy. Smack, smack. Boy.
Just come alive.
Boy. Girl.
Yeah, they're your friends.
Girl. Boy.
Eat it. Eat the book.
Where are they? They're not behind there. Where'd they go?
Ah.
Well, you can't eat them. See?